Let's write a program to print a hollow pyramid of this symbol, that is an asterisk. So let me get into the program. Hash include stdio.h. Let's write the main function, int main. Okay, I will first declare my rows variable. So this variable will store the number of rows that the user will input. Next I will prompt the user, so printf enter the number of rows. Scanf %d ampersand rows. Okay, now I will run my outer for loop to print the rows. So outer for loop to print rows. For int I equals 1, I less than or equal to rows, I plus plus. My inner for loop, my first inner for loop to print leading spaces. Okay, so if my pattern looks something like this, okay, so the space is before the star. So this is a hollow pyramid, it will go like a triangle with nothing inside. So the spaces before, the leading spaces, and obviously the columns as well. So the inner for loop will take care of the column and the outer for loop the rows. Okay, for int j is equal to I, j less than rows, j plus plus, printf just an empty space. Alright, my next inner for loop to print the asterisk itself. For int k equals 1, k less than or equal to 2 times I minus 1, okay, and k plus plus. Here I'll write an if condition. If k is equal to 1 or k is equal to 2 times I minus 1 or I is equal to rows, then printf the asterisk, else printf an empty space. Okay, and after this for loop I will exit and print a new line character so that it goes to the next row. Now let me save and run this program. 30. Yeah, so let me save and run the program now. Enter the number of rows. If I enter 5, yeah, we're getting the pattern. This is the hollow pyramid. So the code works.